12 feet of water.
Yeah, this is got some waves coming into Mazatlan today.
17 feet of water. Stationary there. 15 feet of water. Surfing a wave.
We are surfing. These waves coming in here.
On us.
There's a cut back there.
10 feet.
Looks shallow on the starboard side.
9-7. Depth alarm's going off.
Okay.
10 feet.
Yeah, this is shallow here.
Yeah. 11 feet.
Oh, 11's better than 9. 11's better than 9.
Yeah.
There's a dredge going on up here. It's full of people. We need to take this side.
I'm taking the left.
We need to take the left and they need to wait a minute. It just is what it is. Yeah, he's backing up now. He's backing up. And we're here by the dredge bit.
It's first dock today, Doc.
Okay.
13 feet of water now.
Okay. Oh look, there's a cute little beach right there. Mazatlan.
15 feet of water. Alright, so
this is where we're going in Mazatlan.
And where are you, sweetheart?
In Mazatlan.
Where?
We're downstairs from La Teresa. I think it's got a different name though, and a very nice restaurant. In the marina, we're at a resort, and we have an all-inclusive stay, and we sailed in to our resort here. I mean, how cool is that?
No
I have
kidding.
the best boyfriend in the world.
It's a beautiful place, and it's all inclusive, so we're enjoying a nice breakfast. And this is El Cid Marina, but there's 4 properties here. El Morro, what are they? Castillo and the Yacht Club, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And the Marina. And so our barcode's down here.
At a resort. Hi.
Ooh, a big fish just jumped right in.
A big fish?
Yeah.
We're here in Mazatlan, and we just went to visit the marine store, and they have some cool stuff in there. So we're out for a dinghy ride today.
We're naked adventuring, huh?
Yes, absolutely. What a beautiful day. There is some what look like storm clouds brewing over there, but hopefully they won't come on here. I think we're all good. It's a beautiful day.
Good.
Woo!
So I just found Iggy, the iguana, here at El Cid Resort in Mazatlan. He says that he enjoys drinking the fresh water here, and it's quite a lovely place. He's happy. And the boat is right here, like literally.
Okay, tell me where you're at.
I'm en Mercado Central, en Mazatlan, en la mitad de Mercado Central. Y me encanta. ¿Por qué? Tengo demasiado cosas aquí. Mira those.
Okay,
look
now
at
in
them.
English.
Okay, so I'm feeling really excited because today we just arrived in Market Central in the middle of Mazatlan. Here in the middle of the market, and look at all the things they have. This is so cool.
Okay.
And we just arrived by the green bus to Mercado Central here in Mazatlan, Mexico. Sentir muy emocionada. I'm feeling very emotional about this because it's just so cool. Que padre es eso.
And this is what she's talking about. There's just so much stuff here. It's just unbelievable. So I think anything you want to look for here, you'll find, including all different kinds of meats and food types that we're going to try. Okay.
We just ate chicken enchiladas, steak, salad, tortillas, beans, and rice for less than $5. And we still have leftovers. $5. Not kidding. I mean, this is
It's unbelievable.
unbelievable.
And the owner of the place ran down and got us beers because he doesn't
Yeah.
sell beer here. So he went and bought us some beer. So this is Mexico.
Show
Pretty
the
awesome.
view. Show the view of that. And we go to. It's like having a view of everything from up here in the cathedral. And the cathedral is right back here. So this is like town central. It's what a cool location. I don't think it gets any better than this.
Awesome.